Come with me to my local bookstore to check out some new BL mangas. We're here! Here's my local bookstore. Oh my god, I hope they have a lot of BL mangas on display. Now, where is their manga section? Oh my gosh, yes, I found it. And right off the bat, I already see the Titan's Bride. Oh my god, this is the best day ever. Ooh, they have a dangerous convenience store. They have copies of No Love Zone. This has already been made into an anime, and it has 12 episodes, I think, and it's a must watch. Ooh, they also have the Big Apple. Oh my gosh, there are so many. They have a copy of Our Sunny Days. Oh my god, I have to get this. I have to get this. How much is it? Oh my god, it's literally 1,287 pesos. I'm gonna die. Let's see, they have Dearest Patrolman, they have The Dragon's Betrothed, they have Black or White, they have Perfect Addiction. Oh my god, they have an entire box of Twilight Out of Focus. This has already been made into an anime also, and I haven't watched it yet, but I hear it's good. For all my BL furries, they have Smell. I don't know what this is about, but it has like a dog and another dog. So, doggy style. Ah! Ooh, they have the worst soulmate ever, the proposal. This is an Omegaverse story, and it is like so good. You have to read it. Oh my gosh, they have Megumi and Chugumi. This is another Omegaverse story, and it is like one of my most favorite Omegaverse stories out there. And of course, the BL section won't be complete without Sasaki and Miyano. Oh my gosh, they have so many volumes. This has caught my eye for a while now, but I'm not sure whether I want to buy it. It's called Wimpy Demon King and Tsundere Hero, and oh my god, the cover is already giving. Wow, they have the first copy of Love Sage. This is a classic. They also have We Are Not Beasts. Love is an Illusion is also here. So out of all the BL mangas I've seen, Our Sunny Days is the only one that I really want, so let's buy it. Look what I found. I'm also gonna get this, even though it's straight, because I can't resist the sexy fireman. We have secured the mangas. Time to pay. We have secured the goods. Yeah!